Hello everybody, I'm from Slingshot. My name is Abit. So we got two types of slingshot, and first of all I would like to thank you to Alvin Lo for the slingshot and my nephew for helping me out doing the slingshot. And I'll bring my cousin Eldin. So we got like 10 meters, sorry, we got like 1 meter from us, don't worry. We are following the SOP also same time. So anyway, so we're gonna try out this tube band and this flat band type of slingshot. Okay, so I'm gonna wear a mask first since me and Alan are gonna test it out shooting. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna shoot that target over there. My the three cans and the catch box. Okay, so let's test out with this one first. Get a hit. So this is the consistent of training 15 meters. So right now I'm not doing 15 meters. Maybe it's around 10. Almost there. So I'm using a marble size of 16 mm. Yeah. First shot, maybe it's a luck. It's windy and it's going to get rain. Oh, missed that. So last shot, and then we go for the tube bend. Got a hit. Okay, let's go for the tube bend. So I'm gonna use this type of size of marble. It's around 10 mm. Okay, then check out with the catch box, the bottom orange. This is my first time, by the way, shoot this type of band. This type of slingshot. I don't know what company it is. I got it from my cousin Alvin Lo. Whoop. So let's go for the 16 mm. Whoa. But anyway, this is a strong slingshot. Okay. Almost hit. More time to the catch box. Oh! Even hit straight. Okay. So I'm not used to this, but it's very powerful. Let's go for the can. Ah, I got that can. Well, it's good to use this type of marble. 16 mm. Almost there, almost got it. Almost there, close enough. So, to my opinion, both are great, both are good. So, you can see the performance there. So, you can either tie it this way, okay, do the close up. Here, where you can put your finger or your pinky. I put a triband here, okay. So, to my recommendation, it's good for using for hunting squirrels. Yeah, if well, that's like a pest to us here since they eat a lot of fruits. Then again, if you ask me, I'm okay with it. So stay safe, everybody. I think that's about it. All the reviews. Thanks.